Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. So, proceed tayo with problem number 5. So, sa problem number 5, we have integral of secant h square ln x, okay, to the power square, yan, square to, over x na dx. Again, by now, I hope you already have idea on how to approach this one. Uh, the way we approach the problem usually is we need to set ito bang nasa, di ba, second h, and then ito bang nasa loob ng parenthesis, dapat that is x, or in this case, that's ln x, so babaguhin natin to, dapat this is u. Now, if u is equal to ln x, ano yung du? Buti na lang, du is already here, kasi derivative of ln x is 1 over x. We already have 1 over x here. Okay, so diretso na. So, I hope okay tayo ha. So, u is equal to ln x. So, du should be equal to 1 over x dx. Sir, saan galing yan? Again, basic basic differentiation formulas. Derivative of ln x is 1 over x. Sige, so I think that's it. Proceed tayo with the substitution. So, I think diretso na. Ito, papalitan ko to ng u. Ay, sorry. So, second u square. And then itong dx over x, magiging du na lang yan. Okay? Which means, ang hinahanap ko is the integral of second u square, which is based on our cheat sheet, that's actually equal to tan x. Okay? So, meaning, our answer should be equal to positive tan h of u plus c. Again, retain the actual value of u in terms of x. So, u is ln x. Yan. So, ito na yung sagot natin. Okay. So, check natin sa answer key natin kung parehas lang ba. Tama, parehas lang. Sige. So, I think that's it. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin, which is problem number 6.